Namaskar. So we are pretty high, 2000 meters. It's quite insane. uh, it took me a lot of grounding and a lot of fire power to get up here because apparently I'm afraid of heights. So what I want to do now is really make the breath of fire, because it's a nice opportunity to really bring more power, vital force, prana into me, because we need to get down. So it's with a cable that you can go till here, so it's pretty insane. So I need a lot of strength to go down again. So I talked in the last video about the elements, the fire, the air, the earth, the water, so, and the space. So what I want to do now is the fire breath. Yes, so really connect, because right now it's raining a little bit. We have the clouds all around. I really can feel the earth because I'm clinging to it. So let's start the breath of fire. So the attention is on the exhalation. The inhalation comes naturally. Yes, you breathe in and out only through the nose. Yes, so you really do this. Yeah, so we will start. First we are breathing out. Breathe in and relax. And really stay with this. And what you can do is really feel like, to ground yourself, you can tighten up the perineum. Yes, so you are keeping all that energy which is inside, you are lifting it, so you have more power. So you can really feel that you breathe in through your sphincter, through your anus, and connecting it with the third eye. So I'm connecting the groundness, yes, the first energetic center, which represents the groundness, the feet, the connection with the earth, and the last one, which is the connection with the air, the space, the sky. So the connection between the Mother Earth and the Father Sky. So really breathe in through the perineum, bringing it here, and breathe out. And really bring the Ujjayi breathing into this exercise. So we are breathing in and taking it along the spine. Chill here, hold it a little bit, and breathe out. In again. And out. In. And out. And if you can relate with something, because the water element comes a lot into the space right now. It's like when it's raining and then the vapors are going up. So it's this circuit in nature, and it's also the cosmic orbit. So we are really balancing the groundness, so the earth and the sky. So really take this moment to really do this. And at one point you will feel that you don't need to breathe anymore, and that is the life force, the prana, that is going in and through you. So it's going automatically. You don't need to do anything else. So I really wanted to share this with you. It's really amazing, and I feel very blessed, and I need a lot of strength to go down now. So probably I will do some more pranayama before we go down. Namaskar. Thank you for watching.